Petey was an inside dog. The runt of his litter, he was kept away from what dangers may have lurked outside the house, so he could be where he was safe and warm. But Petey longed to go outside. He would stand at the window watching the other animals, wishing he could run and talk with them. He loved to look at the plants and their leaves and wonder what they smelled like. He would watch the cars rush by, hoping with each one that it might be someone coming to visit him. But he would have to wait. When the time finally came for Petey to go outside, he would get so excited that he could hardly contain himself. He dashed into the yard, running from one thing to the next, nearly overwhelmed by all the excitement. He inspected the plants, and sensing they needed water, he cared for them. Petey was also eager to meet his neighbors and learn their unusual customs. But after so much excitement, it was time for Petey to go back inside. He was never ready to leave the fascinating outside world, but after a day of play, he could sleep easily in front of the fire and dream of more adventures to come.